In this video, we will show you how to purchase a Google Workspace plan with Bluehost. Need a dependable host for your Google Workspace email? Bluehost has you covered with Google Workspace plans designed to boost productivity and keep your team running smoothly. Let me walk you through the simple process of signing up for a Google Workspace plan. So let's get started. In your browser, go to bluehost.com. From the hosting menu, click on Google Workspace under the email hosting section. You can also visit this link directly. Scroll down to select your preferred Google Workspace plan by clicking on Choose Plan. Next, choose a domain for your Google Workspace account. This domain will serve as your professional email address. You can either register a new domain or use an existing one. Create your account with an email address and password, or link it directly to your Google, Apple, or GitHub account. You can also purchase a hosting plan and other hosting essentials, such as SiteLock, CodeGuard, or Yoast as add-ons. Enter your payment details in the Billing Information section and select your payment method. You can select to pay using your card, Google Pay, or PayPal. In the Shopping Cart section, select your preferred billing term for Google Workspace. You also need to select the number of users for your Google Workspace account from the drop-down menu. Review the items in your cart, then click the Submit Payment button to complete your payment. After successfully purchasing Google Workspace, you can set it up and manage it within your Bluehost account. You can log into our website or go directly to the Bluehost login page using this link. You did it! You're now equipped to work more efficiently with Google Workspace with Bluehost.